A very good morning to all of you. There are numerous strings in your life. Let me add my own among them. One day, my student sat me down and asked me to make this. They wanted people to be able to use my work to make their lives better. In this video, you will learn how a simple belief about yourself guides a large part of your life. Much of what you think of as your personality actually grows out of this belief. And this may be preventing you from fulfilling your potential grows out of it. The first thing is to know yourself. Note it down. The first thing is to know yourself. Many a times we don't know that we don't know. I repeat, we don't know that we don't know. Here is an example for you. If I am going to ask any one of you that whether you know this rhyme which you have learned in early childhood, that is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So everyone will have the answer that yes, I know it. But if my question is, can you state its complete poem? And here is the poem for you. Its first stanza is commonly known by all of us, but only a very few know all these stanzas. It means before looking at this poem, every one of us was saying that yes, we know this rhyme or poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But now, after looking at it, your answer will change. So that is why I was saying that many of us don't know that we don't know. Moving ahead, in order to know yourself, kindly ask these 5 questions from yourself. And note this question. I would request, please note this question. Then sit alone and try to write its answer. Surely it is going to benefit you. And here is the first question. What is your first priority? That is, in your priority list, which you would like to keep as the first. Second question is, why have you selected it? Why have you made this which you have noted now after question number 1 as your first priority list? So why have you selected it? Question 3 is, why is it so important for you? Answer to this question. Why the priority list which is first as you have selected in question 1, it is so important for you. Now moving to question 4. If you can't get it, if you can't achieve that, then what will be its outcomes? That also you please note. And the last question is, why are you so afraid for these outcomes? That is, why are you afraid that if you are not going to achieve your first priority list, it is going to result these things? So why are you afraid for these outcomes? Now, knowing the answer of these questions will suddenly understand the grades in the science, in the arts, in the sports, and in business, and understand your mates, your friends, your kids, your boss, and your children's. No matter how much intelligence you have, you can always change it quite a bit. I repeat, no matter how much intelligence you have, you can always change it quite a bit. Believe this, the biggest room in this world is the room of improvement. That is, always we have an option to improve ourselves. So, thank you. And I would like to take this chance to thank all my students have made my research career a complete joy. I hope they have learned as much from me as I have learned from them. Thank you once again.